Alright, Dale, she looks good. Got her all secured in, but trim that off. I thought the dog was done barking, but I guess not. Building the walls first, then I'm gonna shimmy it around. I figured that'd be easier to move it, just in case it starts to move. They pretty much slide together. The main thing is this panel here. You want to have it just a little bit higher, and then it slides in that corner, pops right in. And then you use these cute little aluminum beams here, 1/64 of an inch thick. They run up just like that. And then these push down. One little piece of advice I would give you is maybe put dish soap in these, because this is not very strong at all. I mean, I'm not even hitting it, and it's already ripping. That makes so yeah, if you get caught up on these pictures, and rightfully so, that's what it looks like. So this is how that back side goes. U-bolt type things go right through there. So it's not as easy as it looks, by the way.
So we're gonna get that one secured, and then get this side secured, because they keep pushing through.
Main thing is we don't want to tighten it so much that the middle part bends in. Put this thing on first on J, and then you slide the little grooves in. Boom, just like that. And then for these screws right here, you need to push in from the back side. I didn't want to do every step because it's not that complicated, but this is what the roof system should look like. Pretty difficult to get through here. So you're gonna want to keep these bolts loose, but don't tighten them down until you have everything up. And then on the back side right here, there. And what I would recommend is putting this middle piece right here on first, because you gotta slide them in, and if you screw these down, you gotta take them back out. I don't know why they have those steps backwards. So here's that top view. Just leave them a little bit loose, and then you can twist that one through, and then tighten these down. Slowly get it through. Pretty simple, straightforward. And this piece slides right in both of the doors. Then we got DH and LH and your bolts, the F6 bolts. So basically you want to line up these holes in the back, and then those bolts. Go in this way. And then we got 10 screws around the edges. Try to go as straight down as you can, so that way you don't push the wall back. All right, just got the roof left.